In his prime, Mike Tyson was one of the most impressive and exciting fighters to watch in action due to his ability to maintain his elusiveness, work his way into his own range, and unload his offense to quickly and efficiently dispatch his opposition. Custom Auto implemented one particular drill on a daily basis and one particular tool that you can make with things around your house, and it is the slip bag. Once you have a slip bag, what you want to do is hang it at eye level, number one. Then you want to stand directly under it, where it would be if it wasn't moving. So now you're as in the line of fire as possible. And the whole objective is to maintain moving off the center line, presenting the target so that you can lure the opponent in, move off the center line, and then you're going to learn how to come in with punches. So the first thing you want to do is just learn how to time it. You can start with a duck. So duck, come right back up. Then you can slip, okay? Then once you get the slipping down and the ducking down, then you can start to punch. Boom, boom, boom. Slip, back to the center line. Boom, boom. You can also weave. You can do that too. Or you can pull, boom. Get back to the center line, like that. That's pretty much as simple as it gets. Once you got your 10,000 repetitions down, who knows, you might be the next Mike Tyson. But anyway, hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online courses in the description. Till the next time, we up out of here. Ow.